Number 1. 1982 Dodge 4x4 Slant 6, $3,250. Sun City, Arizona. This 1982 Dodge pickup is a dependable daily driver-grade classic featuring the legendary Slant 6 engine, well known for its durability and smooth operation. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive, it offers simple, rugged engineering that appeals to Mopar truck enthusiasts. With 91,000 miles, updated components such as the carburetor, distributor, coil, and battery make it mechanically refreshing. Factory air conditioning is a rare bonus for this era. Overall, it is a clean-titled, affordable classic work truck ready for continued use or light restoration. Number 2. 1965 Chevrolet truck, $4,000, Northridge, California. This 1965 Chevrolet pickup is a fair-condition workhorse or project platform, ideal for someone looking for a mid-60s classic at an entry-level price. The truck features a manual transmission and retains its clean title. Though it is currently not running, the seller notes it ran a few months ago, suggesting it may require basic mechanical revival. With its iconic mid-60s body style, this truck presents solid potential for restoration, custom build, or utilitarian use once revived. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet C25 3/4-ton 4x4, $2,000, Helena, Montana. This 1989 Chevrolet C25 is a heavy-duty 3/4-ton 4-wheel drive truck known for strength and utility. Though the odometer is broken and the condition is fair, it reportedly runs well despite a loud muffler. Electrical issues affecting the taillights will require attention, but the clean title and durable drivetrain make it a good mechanical project. Its classic square body styling maintains strong popularity among Chevrolet truck collectors and off-road enthusiasts looking for a budget-friendly build. Number 4. 1974 Chevrolet El Camino, $20,600, Blytheville, Arkansas. This 1974 Chevrolet El Camino is being sold on behalf of the owner's family and runs despite having sat for several years. It features an automatic transmission and a clean title. Some engine modifications were reportedly added, though details are unknown. A notable flaw is a driver's side floor hole, which will require metal repair. As a mid-70s El Camino, with a combination of car-like ride quality and truck utility, it offers solid project potential for a buyer seeking a budget-priced classic ready for restoration. Number 5. 1978 Dodge Power Wagon, $3,800, the Dalles, Oregon. This 1978 Dodge Power Wagon is an appealing vintage 4-wheel drive truck equipped with a 318 cubic inch V8, 4-speed manual transmission, and numerous new mechanical components including plugs, wires, distributor parts, battery, and a new Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. Despite its rebuilt title, stemming from a minor fender dent reported to insurance, it is a one-owner truck with extensive recent upkeep. Additional features, such as a new rear posi differential and a box of spare original equipment parts, make it a strong value. These power wagons are increasingly desirable among Mopar off-road collectors. Number 6. 1989 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado, $4,900, Phoenix, Arizona. This all-original 1989 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado is a remarkably clean survivor truck equipped with the fuel-injected 350 cubic inch V8 and a 700 R4 automatic transmission. With 129,000 original miles, cold air conditioning, and power features such as windows, locks, cruise control, and tilt wheel, it represents the height of late 80s Chevrolet comfort. The interior is described as excellent, with a perfect dashboard and well-preserved trim. As an elderly-owned, meticulously maintained classic truck, it stands out as a reliable daily driver with strong collector appeal. Number 7. 1948 Chevrolet Long Bed Truck, $7,000, National City, California. This 1948 Chevrolet long bed truck offers post-war styling with a modern twist, powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission. The truck carries a rebuilt title and has an odometer that has rolled over, typical for vehicles of this age. Its brown paint and four-wheel drive configuration present a unique custom build from an era when trucks were strictly utilitarian. As a late 40s Chevrolet, it serves as a solid platform for restoration, rat rod styling, or continued mechanical refinement. Number 8. 1979 Ford F-250 Flatbed, $3,000, Roy, Washington. This 1979 Ford F-250 Flatbed is a strong farm and utility truck, powered by Ford's 400 cubic inch V8, paired with a C6 automatic transmission, one of Ford's most durable combinations. With 200,000 miles and a clean title, it has received numerous new parts, including carburetor, tires, battery, interior trim, and completely refreshed flatbed decking. The truck runs, drives, and stops, making it functional for work while also appealing to collectors of the late 70s Ford heavy-duty trucks. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, $500, Cedar Mill, Oregon. Offered as a mechanic's special, this 1989 Chevrolet 2500 long bed truck requires towing and substantial work after sitting unused for more than 5 years. Though rough inside and out, it features a relatively new $2,800 transmission installed 10,000 miles ago and a clean title. Equipped with a 318 V8 engine, it may serve as a parts donor, a low-budget project platform, or scrap value depending on the buyer's goals. At this price, it appeals primarily to mechanically inclined restorers. Number 10. 1966 Chevrolet truck, $6,000, Burbank, California. This 1966 Chevrolet long bed pickup is in good condition and features a rebuilt 327 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, an excellent period-correct combination. Numerous new components such as the alternator, aluminum radiator, fuel pump, starter, and gas tank enhance reliability. Painted green with MagnaFlow mufflers for improved exhaust tone, this clean-titled classic is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a mostly original mid-60s Chevrolet with fresh mechanical investment. Number 11. 1966 Ford F-100, $6,950, Ridgefield, Washington. This 1966 Ford F-100 presents with only 35,000 miles on its small block V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It drives smoothly at highway speeds and offers strong mechanical performance. Though lacking heater, air conditioning, and radio, its driving condition is impressive. The truck needs ignition wiring work and has a minor oil pan leak, for which a replacement pan is included. Some underbody forklift damage is noted from an auction purchase. With a clean title and solid road manners, it remains a desirable mid-60s Ford driver project. Number 12, 1969 Chevrolet C10 Custom, $9,500, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 Custom is an attractive late 60s classic equipped with a 203 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Showing 37,850 miles on a rolled-over odometer, it has received a fresh tune-up, new battery, and new wheels and tires. Included new rocker panels make upcoming body repairs easier. Known for its timeless styling and strong collector following, this clean-titled truck is a solid project that already runs and drives well, ideal for restoration or weekend cruising.